have long been waiting for this. Nagtatanga-tangahan ako. Ayoko naman magpasalamat, hindi ko naiintindihan yung award. At pagtayo ko, tinatanong ko si Direk Jun at saka si Uge, ano ba tong award na to? Special jury citation for what? For best dressed of the night? Special jury citation for best performance? Ganun ba yon? So, salamat po. Seriously, hindi ko talaga alam. Nagtatanga-tangahan ako. Ayoko naman magpasalamat, hindi ko naiintindihan yung award. Pero,
Eto na po, babasahin.
yun i-explain pala. Best hairstyle, best outfit.
Ito na po, ito na po.
As an artist and tackle issues relevant to the contemporary society, the MMFF jury honors Vice Ganda as achievement in this year's festival.
Thank you very much! Oh my God! I have long been waiting for this. At last, finally, I am seen. Hindi joke yun. Hindi. Maraming salamat po sa pagkilala na yun. I am seen with this movie, with this project. I have been participating at the Metro Manila Film Festival for years. This is the first time na meron akong award. Maraming salamat sa kakataon na ibinigay pa rin sa akin ng ABS-CBN. Sa mga panahon na hirap na yung kumpanyang kinabibilangan ko, ay pinipilit pa rin nilang gumawa ng magagandang proyekto, magagandang mga